software version 7.0. Looking at life through the eyes of a tire hub. Eating seeds as a pastime activity. The toxicity of a city, Oh, what do you own the world? How do you own disorder? Now, somewhere between the secret silence, sacred silence and sleep. Somewhere between the sacred silence and sleep. Disorder. Hey, I'm Vasco, and today we're doing Toxicity by System of a Down in the original key. We're doing it on a high G string ukulele, and this time it's important to be a high G because the way I'm about to show you requires the high G string, all right? So grab your ukulele and let's see how to play this song. Okay, let's start with the riff. Okay, so what we're doing here, I'm anchoring my ring finger and middle finger of the right hand here on the A and E string, and they never really play them, they just hold them, so our hand is stable for the thumb and the pointing finger to do the magic, right? And we have open strings here and just playing C, G, C, G, C, G, C, G, C, G, C, G, all right? Okay, and then we just have to press right here on the 3rd fret the C and G string again. Okay, so. And the second time we repeat this, we're adding a little bit something more. Okay, so we're changing the pattern here. The thumb is playing actually twice in a row. C, G, C, G, C, G, G, C, G, G, C, G. And then we're putting the ring finger here on the 5th fret of the G string. And again, removing it and then sliding it to 1st fret, but holding on the C string 3rd fret. C, G, C, G, C, G, G, C, G, G, C, G. So let's try slowly the whole thing. And we're doing this in the intro and also throughout the verses. Conversion, software version 7.0. Looking at life through the eyes of a eating seeds as a pastime activity. The toxicity of a city, and here we play C minor. Yo, why do you own the world? Why do you own this? Here, G sharp. Disorder to G. Just sliding this same shape down a step, right? And also we are mostly doing muted strums here. Oh, how you own the world? Why do you own disorder? So I'm sounding the strums more on G sharp and G. Yo, why do you own the world? How do you own disorder? Now we're breaking the sacred silence and sleep. And here, the 3rd time that we're repeating this, I'm adding something a little bit more. All right, so I'm barring here the A and E string with the middle finger on the 3rd fret. And I'm playing sometimes the C string open, and sometimes I'm putting the pointing finger. I'm doing down, down without a pointing finger, and then up, up, down with the pointing finger, but very fast. And actually, I'm not really trying to do precise down, up, so I'm just making a mess here. Okay. Somewhere between the sacred silence and sleep, disorder, disorder, disorder. Getting back to this, which is very beautiful. And then we have another verse, another chorus, and after the second chorus, we're entering this part where basically again I'm here barring the E and A string only, and then the pointing finger do 3, 2, open, 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 3, 2 on the C string. But a little bit faster, something like. And then we start another chorus. Yo, what do you own the world? What do you own disorder? Disorder. Now, somewhere between the sacred silence and sleep. Somewhere between the sacred silence and sleep. Disorder, disorder, disorder. And after the third chorus, we are entering again this little part. And this is also the outro. When I became the sun, I shone like into the man's heart. When I became the sun, I shone like into the man's heart. And this is how you finish the song. Well, that's a very high energy song and it fits my eclectic style super good. So I hope it fits yours too. Get it in the bag and play it when people are not expecting it. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and you'll see me on the next one. Goodbye.